So today we will be microneedling. Microneedling is a procedure where we inflict tiny little wounds on someone's face because we know where blood vessels live, collagen lives. And that allows the collagen to be stimulated so that it can create a great healing ground for creating a brighter skin. It also helps the body heal fine lines, and it just makes your skin tight also. And that's what we're all looking for. I'm just gonna put some moisturizing lotion. It's CeraVe, and that helps the pen glide smoothly. We recommend that to allow 3 days of downtime for microneedling because you will be red. As you can see here, she's responding very well, and that she's gonna look like she's had a really bad sunburn. This is exactly what we want to see because, like I said, we know that where blood vessels lives, collagen lives, and we would want our body's natural collagen to help repair these areas of our skin so that we can have an even tone, reduce the fine lines, and to help with skin laxity. So it'll make the skin tight. Adding some more moisturizer on. Okay. There, you're doing a great job responding. This is awesome.
Oh, great.
And that sound is just the needles and the lotion.
Okay.
Will you be hiding for the next 3 days, or do you stay red long?
I will not be hiding.
Okay.
I will be going to work.
Okay, alrighty.
And I will be seeing people. So,
Okay.
you know, to be honest, the second day I just kind of look sunburned, but the
Okay.
third day, really, I'm fine.
Okay.
Like, I look perfectly fine. I mean, maybe someone would notice, but no one has asked me because I have gone to work the next day.
Okay. What improvements have you noticed with your microneedling treatments?
You know, honestly, I feel like I have noticed that my skin is brighter.
Okay, good.
And I want to say, and I don't think I'm crazy, but I think that the little 11s between my eyebrows and the lines on my forehead, because I have a very expressive face. I've been trying to practice my resting bitch face because I'm super expressive.
Yeah.
But no, honestly, I have noticed improvement, so this is why I keep coming back to get it done, because I've noticed that it just keeps getting better.
Yeah, microneedling is wonderful.
Crazy.
And for all those things too.
Yeah, you were not lying when you mentioned like brightness, the fine lines. I've totally noticed.
Good.
So I've been trying to keep up the every 4 to 6 week thing.
Good.
So. How often I should be, I know it's like every 4 to 6 weeks. Is there a certain amount of time I should be getting it done? Like, okay, 5 times and then...
We recommend about 2 to 3 maintenance treatments a year just to kind of keep up with it.
Okay.
You're still doing okay?
Yeah.
Awesome.
No pain at all.
Good.